In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Solana network to Phantom Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the Phantom Wallet is capable of holding your Solana. You will be able to receive and send Solana freely using Phantom Wallet. It is available for various different platforms through an extension for Chrome. You can download it on your smartphone and you will be able to manage your wallet. The good thing about Phantom Wallet is that you don't need to manually add the Solana network to Phantom Wallet in the way that you might add a custom network to MetaMask, for example. The Phantom Wallet is specifically designed for the Solana ecosystem. So when you create a new wallet in the Solana and Phantom Wallet, it will automatically be set up to interact with the Solana blockchain. There is no secret to this. So all that you have to do is download the extension or the mobile app. When you download it, you will be prompted to create a new wallet here. Once you choose Create New Wallet, you have to set up a seed phrase, aka a password, and when you are signed into your account, you will immediately have access to the Solana network. So the wallet will be set up for you. You don't have to do anything else. If you are curious on how to receive and send Solana using Phantom Wallet, after your account has been created, you will be able to click on your account here at the top and you will find the option to copy the address, or you can use the receive, buy, and send options. If you click or tap on Solana, you will also see the receive button, which gives you access to a QR code which can be scanned using your camera, or the wallet address itself, which you can copy and paste into other external wallets. The same exact thing can be done on the mobile app. So you open the application, you will see Solana underneath your assets, or you can tap receive. Regardless of which option you choose, Solana will always be available for you to manage and transfer using Phantom Wallet, and you don't have to manually add it. It will be automatically set up for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Solana network to Phantom Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.